Do you feel the vibes?
Unstoppable. I know that you want me to fail, but no, I won't. I'll keep fighting until the day I lean about. Till I sit in heaven, I will never stop. I will never stop.
After the fire comes the rain, after the pleasure that's paid. Even though we broke for the moment, we'll be ballin' the game. Trying to make my military be prepared for the bustle. Similar to niggas too scary, get you near me. We rush visions of open back prisons. Visions of niggas thug living, precious. These shots, I hope they don't test us. Polar heater, ammunition, and crates. But without sound, that's we slide down. Pistols in place, they got me breathing from currency. The money be calling, it's like I'm dreaming. Seeing scenes and be ballin', participated in felonious behavior. Cop the cop, 4-5, snatch a nigga's page. Label them off, soon as we start. It was hard to quit. Started out drinking 40s, moving hard as shit. Goddamn, now I'm a grown man. Follow no one, the nigga got my own plan. Watch me.
Unstoppable. I know that you want me to fail, but no, I won't. I'll keep fighting until the day I lean about. Till I sit in heaven, I will never stop. I will never stop.
I got a handgun, have it, nigga, front, I'll let you have it. When the shots go off, cops saying 50 back at it. I'm allergic to the feathers on these bird ass niggas. Front and I put your brains on that curve fast, nigga. I ain't a monster with my spark and I spray shit. Enough rounds from that HK, I don't play, bitch. Move like I'm militant, back on that gorilla shit. Moody, disrespectful and unruly, but niggas can't move me. That's a beast till I run out of ammo. If it's a problem, it's handled. I hear your people pouring out liquor and lighting candles. You fuck around, I blow your brains on my New York Times. Run home, turn to the sports section and read your mind. It's crystal clear, you should feel when that gap bust. Versus crime scene taped and you end up in that black hearse. We don't go to funerals, but we go to your wake, fam. Do your body all banged up.
Unstoppable. I know that you want me to fail, but no, I won't. I'll keep fighting until the day I lean about. Till I sit in heaven, I will never stop. I will never stop.
Shit, we only got 2 weeks to do this whole album. Complete it. Mix it down and everything. We don't have time or the luxury to spend all of this time doing one song. We don't have it. We gotta somehow find a way that we can double up on it. Cause I did my whole album, I know it ain't all of that, but I did my whole album like 3 songs a day. Cause I was just laying it, rocking it, and getting on it.
There's a certain mystique when I speak that you notice that's sorta unique. Cause you know it's me, my poetry's deep and I'm still matic the way I flow to this beat. You can't sit still, it's like trying to smoke crack and go to sleep. I'm strapped, it's knowing any minute I could snap. I'm the equivalent of what would happen if Bush rapped. I bully these rappers so bad lyrically. It ain't even funny, I ain't even hungry, it ain't even money. You can't pay me enough for you to play me. It's cockamamie, you just ain't zany enough to rock with shady. My noodle is cockadoodle, my clock's cuckoo, I got screws loose. Yeah, the whole kit and caboodle, I'm just brutal. It's no rumor, I'm numero uno. Assume it, there's no humor in it, no more you know. I'm rolling with a swollen bowling ball in my bag.